Hello and welcome to your video guide for Payroll Year End 2023 to 2024. Before you do your payroll year end, you need to ensure that your final payroll of the year is complete and submitted to the HMRC. Your process date is set to the 5th of April 2024 and that you have taken a pre-year end backup. In this video guide, we will be going through choosing your tax year, sending your final submission to the HMRC, producing and sending your P60s, taking a backup, completing the year end, and updating your tax codes. Before you run your payroll year end for 2023-2024, you will need to make sure you've completed your final pay run and submitted all information to the HMRC for the current tax year. You will also need to set your process date to the 5th of April 2024. Once you are happy that this has been done, click Payroll Year End on the left-hand side of your screen. Then press Choose Tax Year. At this point, you'll get a warning asking you to clear any criteria and include all employees. Press Yes to this. On this screen, check that your tax year is set to 2023-2024 and your report date is set to the 5th of April 2024. Then press OK and you'll get this warning telling you your tax year is changing to 2023-2024. Press OK and then we'll move on to the next step. Once this has been done, you can see the tax year chosen here is set to 2023-2024. Your next step is to click on Internet Submissions. This will bring up this Employer Payment Summary notice. Just press Continue. And in here, you will see your user ID and password for the Government Gateway, along with the company name and your tax reference and tax office reference numbers. Press Submit. And here you will see that this is the final submission for the tax year. Press Submit, and that will then send to the HMRC, and that is this step complete. Now that your internet submissions have been done, your next step is to produce your P60s. To do this, press Produce P60s, and you will get these options. If you use online payslips, you can press this button to upload automatically to your online payslip portal. Alternatively, you can use print and email, and from here choose print or email, whichever is the preferred choice, and press print. This will preview the report before it actually prints or emails, like so. You can print these directly onto plain paper or email them with a password to your employees, and this must be done by the 31st of May. Once this is done, press Close, tick you produced your P60s, press Close, and this step is now complete. The next step in your payroll year end is to do a backup of your data. You just click Backup and you will get the normal backup screen that you are used to seeing. Press Next to the first screen, then Next again, and at this point press Browse just to give your backup a unique name, something like Year End 23-24. Press Next and then press Finish. And when you press OK, your backup is complete, and then we can go on to the next step. The next part of the year end is to press Complete Year End. Click this button, and this will give you a warning that it's going to clear all your year-to-date values for the current tax year. Press Yes to this, and you'll then get this message about checking employees' new tax codes. We'll come to this part a bit later on in the video, so for now, press OK. Press Yes to updating the mileage log, and at this point you'll get a message that the year end has completed clearing. Press OK. The final button in here is to distribute year end returns. This gives you a reminder of your deadline dates, which for P60s to be sent to your employees is by the 31st of May, and the internet submissions that we did earlier, the final pay run submission to be done by the 19th of April 2024. Once this is done, press close and your year end is complete. Once you have completed your year end, your process date will automatically move to the 6th of April, which is day one of the new tax year. From here, it's recommended to go to Tasks, Global Changes, Tax Codes, and clear all of your current week 1, month 1 flags so the tax can start again cumulatively. When you click that button, you will get an option that's going to clear down all your week 1, month 1 flags. You want to press yes to this, and I press OK when it says this has been successful. After doing this, it's also recommended to go to e-submissions and to the IR Secure mailbox and check New Mail for any updated tax codes for your employees. Once this is done, you can apply any tax code changes to your employees by highlighting the notification and pressing Apply. In this video, we have chosen your tax year and set this to 2023-2024, sent your final submission to the HMRC, gone through numerous ways to produce and send your P60s to your employees, taken a backup, completed the year end, and updated your tax codes. Lastly, please remember these key dates. Your final submission needs to be sent to the HMRC by the 19th of April 2024, and your P60s need to be with your employees by the 31st of May 2024. Thank you for watching this video guide to running your payroll year end 2023 to 2024. Should you require any further information on the topics covered, or just need a little bit extra support, please give us a call on 0330 335 0011. Alternatively, you can email us at support@advantageservices.co.uk.